Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about the fourth chapter, that is disaster management. In last video, we have seen what is meant by disaster, type of disaster, their classification, again earthquake, flood, storm, fire, their effects, what is meant by what, that all things we have finished. Today we will see what is meant by disaster management. Before going to that, here one questions are there that we finished. Here, how many children are there in your class at present? In our class, if you are taking our class in 7th animation, 48 are there. Yes. So second question, what would happen if 5 times this number sat in your class? If the number of students in our class increased 5 times the strength, means the class will be overcrowded. Yes, there is no sufficient space for each student. Yes, two, again, mm, student means there is no space for the student. Yes, and they can't stand even properly, means overcrowded is there, all will noise, yes, shouting is there, like this it will happen. So third question is there, which kind of disaster can occur in an extremely crowded place? Now third question what they are asked, means if a overcrowded is there, that time what kind of disaster can occur? So disaster that can occur in extremely crowded place are, means in a class if you are taking, then pushing they are doing, yes, nousing, no, all are fighting, yes, like this they will, all children will do. Yes. So next is there disaster management. So disaster management means what? It is the community where they can reduce the damage by the natural and man-made disaster. They will make the emergency planning, they will take the prompt decision for the disaster. So what is meant by that we'll see, means all this will done in the disaster management. We'll read what it is. The community participation and the disaster management are closely related. What they are doing in that, here they are taking step to prevent the disaster, making plans to face the disaster, and developing capacity for that is called as the disaster management. So one by one we'll see. First they are telling taking step to prevent the disaster, means what step we will follow after if the disaster will happen, means they all will do the planning, they will do the steps, what we will do first, like this they are doing. Next is making plans to face the disaster. Plans again they are doing how to face the disaster. Then second what they are doing, making plans to face the disaster. And third is the developing the capacity for that. If the disaster is small, then people are means which community is the small, then that is okay. If the disaster is big, means there is very prevent loss is there and community is small, then it is not possible to help for each person. Yes, so they require the capacity for that is also important. Means in disaster management what they are doing, they are prevent the disaster, they are making plan to face the disaster and developing capacity for that is called as the disaster management. Understood, children? So, to prevent and reduce the damage caused by natural and man-made disaster, the emergency planning, it is very important, and management is required. Emergency, it is very important. If flood is there, then you have to emergency requires the boat, means all that army is, yes, means emergency planning is very important for the disaster management. So for that disaster management, the institute at work, means which institute is there, So their name is the National Disaster Management Authority. This you have to keep in mind. What it is? National Disaster Management Authority. This was established in 2005. So what they are taking? It undertakes the planning and implementation of disaster management work. Means they are seeing, or they are undertaking the planning, what they are doing, management, disaster management work. Means all the community and disaster management, they will reduce the damage of loss and property. Yes, before that also they are trying, after that also they are doing that work. Understood? So here for you they told that always remember, what you have to remember. So during a disaster, helping and supporting for each other is our moral responsibility. Means if accidents is happen on the road, don't take their photos, don't make their videos. You have to first call the ambulance and take that person to the hospital. Yes, this is our moral responsibility. Means supporting and helping is our moral responsibility. Understood, children? So for that, it is very important to contact them for the disaster management. It is first police number, you know that. What? 100 means 100. Fire brigades it is 101. Ambulance it is 102. And disaster management cells number is 108. Children, this is very very important. You have to keep in a mind only all these number. Yes, so these all are the emergency contact for the disaster management. Nowadays also the disease or COVID is there, so that the government is making planning. It spread so fastly, so they are making planning. Yes, so all the scientists they are finding the vaccines for it to control on it. Yes, again government is providing facility for them. Yes, so for that we have to keep this the disaster management contacts, all police, fire brigade, ambulance. Yes, understood, children, what is mean by disaster management? Yes, so next part we'll see. So remedial and preventive measures, what we will take after, what we will do after the disaster. So first it is, let us see what precautions we can take before or even in the event of natural and man-made disaster. Means before also and after also, what you have to take precaution, that we will see. First what they told here, keep watching TV and radio news and bulletins. Here it is there in everyone's house now, the TV is there. So you have to always keep watching the TV, you have to listen the radios, bulletins. That means you will get the information about this. If anywhere storm is there, if anywhere flood is there, they will give information to us. So next one is there, use the battery operated radio and mobiles. If electricity is not there, then that time you can use the battery operated radios. Means that will easily available to you. And now mobiles are there, but their battery is charged. Yes, next third one is there, heed the warning issued by the meteorological department carefully. Means they are telling us you where the temperature is high, where is the heavy rainfall is there, means where the storm will come, like this they are telling. So you have to keep that information and do according to what they are telling. Yes, use the website. Again here website they given www.imd.gov.in. This website also you can use for that. Again, if landslides occur in hilly areas, due to the cloudburst or heavy rains, on such occasion, what you are taking? Do not take shelter at the foot of a hill. Means you have to not go to that side. where the landslides are there. Yes, so don't go there, don't shelter there. You have to come in the open place, safe place. Move to safe place. Yes, children. So next sixth one, during the floods, do not linger in house or areas on the river bank. Yes, again seek the shelter in our safe places. Means you have to go safe is there, means don't go in that water, because water flow it can carry with you. Yes, you can flow easily in that. Yes, so don't go in there. Move to safer place at greater height, means higher place is there, you have to go on that. Yes, means the water will not come, the water will not reach at that height. So do not step into water current. Yes, no, don't stand in that water. Again, drive and do not drive a vehicle into them, because we don't know how the water is down, and if you are going in the vehicle, you can easily fall down in that. Yes, so water can carry to you, water you can flow easily with that water along with the vehicle. Yes, so don't do that. Yes, next seventh one, during an earthquake, if earthquake is there, so road split opens and the ground cracks, the railway track get uprooted, means all will cracked. Yes, so hence that time when moving from one place to another place, means cracks are there. If ground is earthquake will come, that will it will get the cracks on the roads. That's why you can, what you are doing when you are moving from one place to another place, that time you should ensure that the road is safer for further on. If in between that this is cracks, and if you are going like this, then it is dangerous for you, so you can ensure it is safe place, then only you can move to there. Next, take a shelter in a relief camps, as they provides medicine, food packet, drinking water and first aid. Here they have shown, if they are means by government also they are providing, and some NGOs they are giving to us, the providing the camps. In that camps they are providing medicine, food packages are there, drinking water they are giving, here first aid they will give. So you can join that camps. Yes, again next, to get protection from fire. Yes, fire is there, that time use the fire extinguisher at in a public place like school, hospital, railway station. Yes, so that can help to that means in that carbon dioxide is present, so it can stop that fire, so it cannot spread. Yes, so these all here all they have shown. So these are the precaution we can take before or event of the natural and man-made disaster. Understood, children? So today we will stop here, next part we will see in the next